gatilho, mano, vou foder tua vida. Comando, troco, bala meio, passo meio fast. Olha só no morro de lado no skyline. Roda ativante, um body kit foda. Se quiser te mando cola, guarde rei o block. Eu tô no rally ouvindo rock de Game Block. Pode ir ludo no feito, para no block. Hater enjoado, bonde passa, manda coça. Olha,
classic matchup of striker versus striker. These guys have both faced a lot of grapplers in the past. They like the draw tonight.
Oh yeah, they love seeing an opponent that will not be trying to dive at their legs. They know when they get to the center of the octagon, the only steps back they will take is if they choose to move out of range to re-enter back into the striking realm. It's a very comforting thought for both of these competitors.
Oh, well, you know about his kicks. They are on point this evening.
Yeah, he's mixing it all up.
Perhaps a sign of things to come as he yes, sir, it goes into the books as a first-round win by knockout. Cole before he's had a chance to work up a sweat or even get into the fight a little bit. Those strikes can have a bigger effect, and it certainly did here tonight. Just misses with the left hook. That is a huge shot there, DC. I'm not sure how he stayed upright.
I mean, when you get hit with a shot like that, to stay standing shows and talks to your toughness.
Head kick attempt, it's blocked. Big strike lands.
Big strike lands. Now he looks to try to take down that
Just an absolutely gorgeous shot to spell the end for his opponent. Crowd is absolutely loving it. He gets the near-perfect land. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming, but just the way he drew it up here tonight, saw that little crack of an opening and barged right through it to get the knockout. Well, what a moment for this fighter here tonight. A massive knockout on the sport's biggest stage. Seminal moment for that fighter tonight.
5,000 capacity, then spread that over the UK and then add it up and get back to me. You pussy, was not bad for me. Man, they go mad for me. Who the when and gas you up like you're good enough to be clashing me? Oh, please stop harassing me. Charge me up and put gas in me. Them little fish wanna try ting. Oh man, the audacity. I got girl in my inbox sending me eyes. Living on the edge to the end of our lives. Wolf in the sheepskin telling me lies. Sometimes I love when my enemy dies. So ahead of my time. Mainstream boy starts letting off live. We can never ever level in price. Being in public ties. The problem's back, we got flows. Watch your back, come on smoke. Dodge the paps and
And coming up next, it's a UFC welterweight division matchup.
Ready?
All right, so here we go with round one, classic matchup of striker versus striker. These guys have both faced a lot of grapplers in the past. They like the draw tonight.
Oh yeah, they love seeing an opponent that will not be trying to dive at their legs. They know when they get to the center of the octagon, the only steps back they will take is if they choose to move out of range to re-enter back into the striking realm. It's a very comforting thought for both of these competitors.
Oh, huge block!
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one up?
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman.
Oh, big roundhouse attempt, just misses. That could have been like that. Oh! That is it, referee. He's seen enough, and maybe so have we. Your winner by TKO.
That was a great performance. Way to land those strikes and go and chase down the finish when you get an opportunity.
His hook shot blocked, though, by the defense. Nice job getting that huge connection right in there.
He needs to get on his body.
just a gorgeous shot to end the fight right there. I'm not even sure the opponent really saw it coming. So back to the drawing board for him, but for the winner, this is certainly exactly what he was looking for here tonight. Oh, we'll take a look back at the highlights. You know we're going to find that nasty head kick somewhere in this highlight rip. Just an incredible result for him here tonight.
A very nice head kick to finish the fight, but don't ignore all the work he did with his hands, and give credit to the